manufacturing and Internet of Things data, industrial Internet of Things sensor data and predictive maintenance. What is Industrial Internet of Things? It is a network of connected sensors, devices, and machines in manufacturing environments that collect and exchange data to optimize operations and enable predictive maintenance. These connected industrial devices form a hub. Types of Internet of Things sensors. We can classify them into environmental sensors such as temperature sensors, humidity sensors, sound or noise sensors, and air quality sensors. The second category is mechanical sensors such as vibration sensors, pressure sensors, motion sensors, and load or weight sensors. Sample sensor data structure. Let us see an example of temperature sensor data. It contains sensor_ID, for example, temp_001. Then we have timestamp, for example, 2024-03-15T10:30:00Z. Then we have temperature 75.2 units Celsius and status normal. Now let us see an example of vibration sensor data. It contains sensor_ID, for example, VIB_002. Then we have timestamp, for example, 2024-03-15T10:30:00Z. Then we have amplitude, which is 2.3, frequency 60, and alert, which is high vibration. What is predictive maintenance? It is using data analytics and machine learning to predict when equipment failure might occur, enabling maintenance before breakdown happens. Some of the key benefits of predictive maintenance are reduced downtime, lower maintenance costs, extended equipment life, and improved safety. Data processing pipeline. First, data collection. Internet of Things sensors gather real-time data. Then we have data processing, where we clean and transform raw sensor data. After this, we perform machine learning analysis. We apply algorithms to predict failures. Finally, we have alert generation to notify maintenance teams. Python code example. First, we have data collection. We import pandas as PD and import numpy as NP. Then we define a function called collect_sensor_data, which reads the sensor data from a CSV file. Next, we will look at anomaly detection. We import isolation forest from the Sklearn library. Then we define another function called detect_anomalies, which fits the data to the isolation forest model and returns anomalies. Real-world applications. Let us look at some of the applications for manufacturing, such as motor bearing monitoring, conveyor belt maintenance, production line optimization, and quality control systems. Also, let us look at applications for energy and utilities, such as wind turbine monitoring, power grid maintenance, pipeline leak detection, and smart meter analytics. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.